Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. It's Miguel Maria.
The island boy.
Africa. Little island.
And Ocean's is sleeping.
Little island boy. And little ocean girl, she's in a pram.
And he's sleeping.
Yeah. So guys, we haven't vlogged in a while. Hey babe.
Sure,
It's been a while guys. It's been a quick minute. As you can tell, I'm not very feeling the best. I've been very unwell. Actually, Island's been very unwell, more than me, I should say. He was lost a fair bit of weight, and he's had a little bit of the diarrhea, and so the reason for us going for a walk, guys, you can see we haven't had a family walk in a very long time because we've just been adjusting to having a baby again in the house and things, and Island at the moment is sick. We're all sick. Let's just say that. The weather here has been hot and cold, so therefore I think that's got a lot to blame with. But then again, him in preschool as well. Probably catches all sorts of things at preschool, as we all know as parents. And so we're just chilling, having a nice walk this evening, Friday evening. Today is the 20th of December, so it literally 4 days till Christmas, would you say?
Yeah,
5 days. 5 days till Christmas. And so we're just chilling. Been at home most of the time, recuperating from this. If anybody's ever heard of it, it's just a very common cold. Cold and flu symptoms sort of thing, and it's very contagious, so we're trying to stay away from everybody. But when Babe said to me, let's go for a walk, I was like, yes, because I haven't been for a walk in a long time, and trying to get back into it, back into a bit of exercising and stuff, me and Babes and the kids. So anything you want to say?
Yeah, I've been just walking and chatting away, and looking at all the amount of bats that's been flying around.
Yeah, they're gone now.
The amount of bats, like, just flood the sky pretty much.
Literally every night the bats are out, and they fly to one direction, which I believe they go to a cave around here somewhere, maybe Kyogle. But that's crazy at this time of the year. You can hear the cicadas.
All different sounds. We're in the country.
Country. Yeah. So, we're ready for Christmas, kind of, at the moment. We've got, family coming over and things. And, we've got family coming over. And I'm sort of a little bit funny because we're not well. Being sick and stuff. So, we're just trying to recuperate and get better before they come. Excuse me. So you heard of the HMPV virus? That's what Island was swabbed for. He got swabbed for COVID as well, but he doesn't have COVID, thank God. Otherwise we'd probably be in bed sick, really sick. This time around it's just more congestion in the lungs. It's kind of like a pneumonia. It can turn into pneumonia, really. Pneumonia. I can't even say things correctly at the moment, so do apologise. And Ocean's sick as well, so we're keeping a close eye on Ocean. We've got her here. Hang on, babe, stop for a minute. We've got her here with her blanket, 2 blankets and that, keeping her nice and warm. It's not that hot and it's not that cold, it's just perfect, right? Would you say?
The best of the weather in a long time, to be honest.
Yeah. So, and I don't want people to come over if we're sick, That's the least. I don't want to be spreading it around because it is contagious. Happy days to us, guys. Trying to get better and things.
Yeah, and everybody has their Christmas lights. I mean, decoration of their houses and things. It's beautiful. I'm
Yeah,
gonna do a video and show you guys as well.
we'll show you guys, definitely.
Maybe not today, but you know,
We will.
it's,
Yeah,
block
which
off
way?
here.
Yeah, they blocked off here for some reason. I don't know why. They're probably doing some work. So this time of year, guys, because it's summer here now, it's snake season really badly. So every time I go out the back and Babe goes out the back, I always say be careful for snakes. So if there's like high grass and stuff, probably not the best idea to walk around high grass and areas where, you know, snakes are probably around. Would you say, Babe?
Yeah, and even you can tell them the story of the, your family member that found one snake in their laundry.
Oh, that's right. Yeah. You can upload that one, maybe. Yeah, with this clip that we're doing now.
A snake in their laundry.
Yeah, so one of our family members, it was a python, actually one of the friendliest snakes.
Yeah, it's not as bad.
Yeah.
It's alright.
You need to go around and open the back door.
Yeah, I got that.
No, because his head is there.
If you do not wish to wait, you can...
It can bite,
Yeah, but not venomous.
but not venomous, but it can bite as in if you attack it
Yeah.
or provoke it, it will bite you. It was massive.
And
It was long.
and didn't you see one recently too as well where was it like on Facebook that they were warning about people leaving their shoes?
Yeah, don't. And also leaving your shoes out the front because they try and find sort of warm spaces to stay.
Go in your shoes.
And they'll go in your shoes. So that's why, Island, stay away from high grass. Come, go that way. And this time of the year is pretty nasty for snakes. But other than that, you know, just keep an eye out. It's not that bad. Everyone makes it like, oh, you're in Australia. It's so bad. There's snakes. There's dangerous animals everywhere. That's not that bad, guys. Yeah. So can't wait to start the new year, 2025. Well, I can wait, but I can't wait because we have so many things that we want to accomplish. As everybody does, you know, 2025 every year is. Yes, Island.
My stomach hurts of walking.
Really, does it?
Yeah.
Well, we're going home now, okay? So we'll just walk slow then. We're gonna walk really slow.
Mom, I want to walk faster.
You want to work faster? Maybe you can lay in the pram under there. Do you want to lay in the pram under there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, go on. Hang on, guys. Wait.
It didn't.
No, you're gonna have to lift your feet up. Yep, there you go.
It's not broken.
No, it's not because it's a bag. Come on.
Are you comfortable?
Are you comfortable down there? No, we've got Ocean.
Probably not.
Hey, I'll show Ocean here for everybody. Yeah, Ocean girl. She's got a bit of a cough, guys, and a runny nose. It's only just normal for the kids to get sick and the parents to get sick with the kids.
Yeah, because it's hard when you living in a household and one person gets sick. You can't avoid the kids, you know what I mean? You know, you have to feed them, you have to bathe them, you have to, you know, so it's like, it's really hard to just avoid them.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
100%. And you got to be careful. This tree here could be snakes too. Now that we talked about snakes, I'm freaking out. I'm really, oh no, babe, these birds.
Bird natural.
Yeah, no, this is a butcher, balaclava. Clavers, and they attack
You know, at first when
because they have nesting.
I just came
We're not
past-
here to hurt you, we're just passing through, okay? Can you see it, guys? I don't know if they can see it. It's like slowly creeping. I think I'm always scared of these birds because they have a sharp tail, babe. Those ones, and they'll come and they anyway. Me, scaredy cat Maria. As I turn the camera back to us. So what else was we gonna say? Yes, as you know, 2025 comes about, everybody has their, you know, their, what's the word, baby? when you have
New Year's
New Year
resolution.
resolutions, yeah, successes and things that they want to achieve. So,
And I think, yeah,
yeah, no, I was going to say, yeah.
go ahead.
And I was going to say, yeah, you're right.
No, what I was gonna say is I think it's really a mindset thing, you know, because people wait to the end of the year to say they want to accomplish something like the following year, or you know, like things like that.
Oh, babe, wait. Sorry to disturb you, but look at that moon. Is that the moon? Oh, no, it's a light.
It's a light. What the hell?
Oh, my gosh.
Yes, I really think it's just a mindset thing, you know. I mean, nothing is wrong with it, but
Excuse me.
I feel like it's a mindset thing. You can always have a resolution in the middle of the year, or you know what I mean. Like it's a mindset thing. That's how I see it anyway.
Yeah.
But it's good to have that, just like how you'd have, what you call it, like you'd write down things on your wall of what you would like to achieve. So it's kind of similar in a sense. So, you know, each to their own.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, but
You're-
definitely greatness, a lot of things to achieve and accomplish and conquer.
Definitely.
Year, same way, so
100%.
yeah, work towards it, you know.
Yeah. So let us know, guys, in the comment what yous are all up to for Christmas. You know, hopefully that yous aren't lonely and yous have family to go and see, your friends. Yeah, no walkway here. But high grass.
Yeah.
Dun 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 dun. It's alright, we should be good. It's not that high. It's alright. Don't trick me, babe. Don't prank me. You good? Do you need a hand? It's quite dark. Yeah, careful, babe. Don't break your back. Yeah, guys, so as I was saying, we haven't been for a walk in a long time, and we've been wanting to get out of the house for a while now, but the weather's been really bad, meaning it's been either really hot and we can't get out of the house because it's just like, it's really hot here in Australia. It's really hot here, and it's been raining too, so we've been getting really tropical storms, whereas you all know, babes. So if you're new to our channel, I'm going to do this one, because if we don't do this one, people won't know what we're talking about. Babe has his own channel, Island Boy Africa, so if you're new to the channel and you want to see farming videos and other things that Babe does on his channel, go and follow. And then on my channel, what's that on the floor?
Sure.
What's that? Anyway,
We should go for going straight here or straight down.
up to you, what do you want to do?
Let's go straight
You
down.
go straight down. Yeah, so like, I don't even know what I was saying.
Yeah, videos, channel.
Yeah, video. So yeah, go and follow Island Boy Africa if you like gardening videos and that. And then there's my channel. I don't upload all the time because I'm very busy with the kids and stuff, so I just don't really have much time to upload every day. But when I do upload, I try to make them as interesting as I can. And then, so my channel is Latina Chills. And of course, Island has his own channel as well. So his channel's Bobo Island. So if you want to go and head over and support the kids' channel, go ahead and do it. Yeah, the links are in the description too, guys. Yeah, so one day maybe Ocean will have her channel, or she will join Island's channel. We don't know yet. But, you know, guys, we love to film when we can film. Not every time you're going to get a video from us on the daily. We do work, I mean, well, I'm not working at the moment, but, you know, I will be working in the next 3 months. So, when you do get a video, you know, we try and make it as interesting as we can. Please let us know what you like about the Island family. I think that's a good question. And for everybody that wants to know something about us, maybe we can do a Q&A. So let us know as well if you feel like you want us to do a Q&A, so you can ask us some questions and we'll answer them for you guys, especially for our new subscribers, because a lot of people don't. It's really dark here now. Hang on, I'll get some light and come back. So yeah, as I was saying, we try to make it more interesting as we can, our vlogs, because we can't vlog every day. But yeah, like I said, Q&A if you want to know more about the Island family. And also, what else, babe? Anything else you want to add to that? Oh God, I just stepped on something, maybe a frog.
Yeah, That's it, really.
That's it, guys. So we should get some light and just close this vlog off a little bit. I love that little spiral thing up the top there.
See, Nyland?
Oh wow, little like lights there. Oh, cars
There's
coming.
lights on the ground.
Oh.
I can see lights on the ground.
Yeah, I know, it's so cool.
No, I can see
Cool.
lights on the ground too.
Yeah, we're going to go now.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for watching the Island Drive. Yeah, so comment and tell us what you are doing for Christmas, and we'll see you at Christmas.
Yeah, man.
Okay,
Little more.
pick up, pick up, big up yourselves, everybody.
Bless up.
What's up, Island?
Bye.
Bye. Bye, everyone.